So in today's lecture, I will be doing, this is the chapter 5, okay, and I will be doing quotient algebra and some exercise problems, okay. Now let me start with the definition or the statement of the quotient algebra. Okay, so quotient algebras. Let I be an ideal of L. L by I is equal to Z belongs to I, where Z belongs to L. Now Z plus I. Now, okay, wait, I made a slight mistake over here. This is L by I, right? And this is nothing but plus. Okay, please put that plus sign over here. So this is plus, okay? Z plus I, where Z belongs to L, okay? And don't forget to put this dash. Okay? So where Z plus I is equal to what? Z belongs to X, where X belongs to I, okay? Now define Lie bracket on L by I as follows. So this is the Lie bracket of W plus I comma Z plus I, which is equal to Lie bracket of W comma Z plus I for all W comma Z belongs to L. So L by I is a Lie algebra with this bracket called quotient or factor algebra of L by I. Okay. Write the spelling properly, okay? Quotient is, this is 0. Sorry, O. So write the spellings and all everything properly over here. If any mistake, y'all can tell me. I can correct it off. So now this is the exercise 2.3 problem. This first one y'all do. Second one I will be doing. So first one is show that the Lie bracket defined on L by I is a bilinear and satisfies the axiom L1 and L2. Now what is L1? It is alternativity, and L2 is the Jacobi's identity. Okay. So second is what? Show that the linear transformation pi from L1 tending to L by I, which takes an element Z belongs to L to its coset Z plus I, is a homomorphism of a Lie algebra. Okay. So let me prove this. This is the solution for the second one. Okay. First one you all can try. So pi in the bracket, write Lie bracket of x comma y is equal to nothing but Lie bracket of x comma y plus I, and this is equal to what? Lie bracket of x plus I comma y plus I. Okay. Now this is nothing but what? Pi by x comma pi by y. So pi is an homomorphism. Next I will be doing exercise first one. Okay. Show that trace is a Lie algebra homomorphism. So I have to show that my trace is a what? Lie algebra homomorphism. So trace of Lie bracket of x comma y, what it is equal to trace of xy minus yx. Okay. Now this is equal to trace of xy minus trace of yx. This into this minus this into this. Okay. Now this is equal to nothing but 0, and I can write this as Lie bracket of trace of x minus trace of y. Okay. And I have with this I have showed that trace of is a Lie algebra homomorphism. Okay. Now next is what I have to, what is the kernel of trace? Kernel of trace is equal to set of x belonging to GL of n comma f, where trace of x is equal to 0, and this set is equal to SL of n comma f. With this I am done with today's lecture. In the next lecture I will be doing some theorems or some exercise problems. Okay, and thanks for watching.